Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the double Irish time step. So let's get started here. So it's going to start like a triple time step. So if you haven't learned the triple time step, I would recommend going and watching that video first, learning how to do the triple time step, and then coming back to this video. And you can find the link to that in my description box below. So if you do know the triple time step, we're going to start with that stomp, hop, shuffle, step. So on the right foot, we're going to go stomp, hop, shuffle, step, just like the triple time step. So we have stomp, hop, shuffle, step. From here, this is where it gets in the name, the double Irish. This is where it gets that title. So we just finished stomp, hop, shuffle, step. We're going to do an Irish on the left here, Irish on the right. And then we're going to finish it up with that flap step that we do to finish out the regular time steps. So on the left foot, we're going to go flap step. And then ultimately start again on the left foot. So breaking it down slowly again, we start stomp, hop, shuffle, step. 2 Irishes here, left, right. And then the flap step. Now, left side, we have on the left side starting like our triple time step, stomp, hop, shuffle, step. Then 2 Irishes, now right side, left side. And then finishing it with that flap step. Okay, so let's try that again. So we have stomp, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, flap, step, stomp, left side, Irish, Irish, flap, step, stomp. Okay, it's a very easy way to change up your regular time step, just throwing in a couple of Irishes, which are a step that we should know. And I guess I should have mentioned, if you don't know an Irish, there should be a link to that in my description box below as well. And if you don't find it there, it should be under my Tap Step Tutorials playlist. Okay, so let's try a few of these in a row. So the thing with time steps is that traditionally they start on 8. They should start on 8. Sometimes I start them on 1 if I'm doing them in a combo. So for today, I am going to start them on 8. So when I say 5, 6, 7, you're going to stomp on 8. Yeah, so the counts would be 8, 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's a full 8 count for each side. All right, so we're going to start the stomp on 8. Let's give that a try. Let's do it 4 times through, so that's right, left, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Irish, flap, step left, Irish, back to right. Yeah, nicely done. All right, let's take them faster. And if at any point I'm going too fast through whatever I explained, remember that you can always pause, rewind, and slow the video down. Okay? All right, let's go faster here. Here we go. Starts on 8 again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, missed the shuffle. Last one. Whew, nicely done. Sorry, I missed the shuffle, the out sound on one of my shuffles there. Okay, all right, nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion, I'm always open to new ideas. So let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll try to get to those as soon as possible. I think that's it, and I will see you in my next video.